With the video systems in the tractors, you take out all of that questionable stuff, all that ambiguity, and you have a clear, definitive answer. This is what started it. This is the event itself. This is how it was handled. Forward-facing is a great start, but if you don't have interior, you're cutting yourself short. If you don't have that and you have a driver that's got a bad habit of picking up their phone every time it bings, or they've got a bad habit of following just a little bit too close, what are they doing? How are you going to be able to help your person, your employee?
We're going to do things the way that the industry expects us to do it. We've got the inward and outward facing cameras. It's the way to go. You want the whole story. Not a big deal. The industry is making the change.
A lot of drivers will say, oh, you're invading my privacy. I don't want the in-cab camera. That's my home. Understand that, and no one has any desire to see what goes on in the sleeper. The bottom line is, when drivers tell us that they don't want the in-cab camera in there, the reason they're telling us that is because they have something to hide. We've discovered that we can prevent accidents by coaching our drivers and being involved in that coaching aspect, and that's where that in-cab camera comes in. Because the forward-facing really limits your view. You're just seeing just one side of what's really going on. The in-cab camera gives you access to what your driver is doing, the behaviors he has, and if there is anything in there to change. And we've seen results where we've been able to improve driver behavior by what they're doing in the cab of the truck when they're driving that truck down the road. And it's made a huge difference.